Today we have the AI4 Knowledge Camp here at MULTIVAC premises in Wolfertschwenden. I really like it because we have all our partners over, all our AI4 members, and especially, of course, the partners that we as MULTIVAC do the solutions with for our customers. We want to achieve the maximum value for our customers. We would like to introduce AI4 and Industry 4 solutions, and this is something we will do together with our partners. After Corona, it's a very important thing to get together once again and to talk about how we can do that, how we can implement our reference architecture and all the standards that we have that are still there, and how can we implement that to achieve the customer value. And this is why I think it's a very good thing to be together once again after the pandemic. And I'm very happy to see everybody here.